Hi guys, welcome to WanShooStudio. So today the asanas we are going to show is Cakrasana wheel pose. It is a backward bending posture. So anyone with concerns of vertigo and then dizziness and also spine or back problem, do practice with care. So the benefits of this posture actually helps to strengthen your arms, your thighs and increase the flexibility of your spine. So I have other series that have step-by-step instruction of performing certain asanas. Do check out. And if you like my channel, don't forget to share and subscribe. Let's go and see how we perform Cakrasana. Bring yourself to the mat, bending your knees, soles of the feet on the mat, and lie down. Now bring your legs about 1 foot distance away from your buttocks and place your palms next to your ear, fingers pointing towards your shoulder, elbows pointing up, and tucked in. Now pressing firmly on your legs and your hands, lift your buttocks, your lower back, middle back, upper back, and place gently your head on the mat. Adjust your hands position and lift up. Lift up further, bending from your waist. Activate your legs, your thighs, your glutes, pushing towards your head. Relax your neck. The final position is with your hands straight. Now breathe and expand your chest. Open up your shoulder. Now, to come down slowly without collapsing your buttocks, bend your elbows, place the back of your neck gently on the mat, followed by your upper back, middle back, and lower back, and lastly, your buttocks. Now, straighten your legs and relax. Feel the changes in your body. So if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe.